Let's have a look round the Lidl middle tool aisle. Let's see what new stuff they've got in this week. There's now like in is the Shelley. She'll wait till I say, yeah, go on, I'll get you this set. Right, these trestles here look really good. These headphones, I was really tempted. I decided against it for whatever reason, I don't know. There was just something that in the back of my mind saying don't get them. I mean, they look decent enough. I'd like to hear other reviews of them. And a little light there without the battery. You can buy the battery separate at Lidl. And another sort of design one there. Some of the prices didn't sort of match up with some of the stuff, but 10 quid for that little right angle drill attachment seems decent enough. Your drills, assortments, that kind of thing. This is a new sort of load of gear that they've got in here at Lidl this week. Some more drill attachments and screwdriver bits and all that kind of item. I've already got something similar to that. I think it's that actual set I've got. Bought it once before when they had it in. These look decent for the money. Easy to store and put away on a shelf, don't they? More drill bit attachments, step drills, that kind of thing. You know, some of these, like occasional use things, SDS masonry bits there, I think they're masonry bits, aren't they? Drills, chisels, that kind of thing. So Gorilla Glue, I picked up, while I was here, I picked up a packet of that one and a bottle of that one. I've actually got this $3.99. You can't go wrong really. And that's that expandable stuff where it's a bit of moisture and it expands. Don't know what I'll use it for, but you know, why not? Some screwdrivers, and I think you've got the electrical screwdriver in there as well. Little cordless screwdrivers, 4 volt. If anybody's got any of these tools, leave them in the comments, let me know how they are. I've always found it hit and miss at Lidl. I've had some good stuff and I've had some really naff stuff. Again, no batteries with them, so just if you're going to go in and buy them at this price, make sure you're sort of accounting for the batteries. Tapes usually come in really well. These are a good brand anyway, 3M, so you know you're getting like good tapes. For whatever reason you might need them, I don't know, but they'll come in handy. $2.49. You might as well just pick up a roll or two. So these are really good. I like these. I bought one of each while I were here. £10, $9.99 each. I bought one of each design, so I bought 2, and I'll use them for like little bits. I've got bits and pieces I've got in jars that are always sort of like stored away and never seen again. But at least I'll know I can organise everything with them. I quite like them. Little cordless vacuum type device. Lunch bag. And yes guys, they have got socks. Not let Shelley see them, because that'll be my next birthday or Christmas present. I'm not bringing kids in either. Dunlop. Ooh. And some Parkside trousers. Workwear trousers. I ain't got nothing against them. These look sort of good. Little winches and pulleys, that kind of thing. They look quite well made. The boxes were really heavy. I didn't want to get them out of the box because I didn't want to damage the boxes. But for the price, they don't look too bad. You know, occasional use if you're moving a bit of wood around. That kind of stuff. Metal protector sprays. Different colours there. bench vise with a little anvil on the end. 19.99, cheap as chips really, isn't it? Boxer shorts, oh my word. Now these clamps, I picked one up and they feel really solid. Now I don't know what they'll be like in the real term working. $6.99 each, which on the face of it don't seem bad. I mean, I like my Jorgensen clamps, so I decided getting against them. I bought a rubber mallet while I were here and a wooden mallet. I like the weight of this. I picked them up and I just like the weight of it. I am going to do a project where I make a mallet out of hardwood, but for £3.99 and for the abuse I'm going to give it, I thought I might as well just get it. Some rope there, battery holders if you buy the batteries, which is always super handy. You can store them on the wall. 2 for £5, and there is a Lidl app you can get, which sometimes you get some money knocked off these. That's the set I've got. I bought that set in the past. Little grinder there, cordless angle grinder. No, occasional use tools, DIY. Thought I'd put this in, little sort of net for, you know, your trailer. I know a lot of people are big with trailers. You know, you're going to get some wood from the DIY store or something. A bit of gardening equipment here, some shears, loppers, whatever you call them. And here's some duct tape, 3M duct tape. Some tarpaulins. I should have picked some of them up. I actually need some of them, so I might run back and get some of them. Are these the loppers? Is that what you call them, loppers? Let me know in the comments. Chainsaw. If you're a psychopath, this would be right up your street, with some cool shades and a stripy jumper. You get where I'm coming from. 70 quid, 69.99. So I sorted like little electrical connectors, that kind of thing, small parts, heat sleeves, that kind of thing. Some shackles there. I don't know what you'd use them for, but they've got them in. Heat gun. Everybody seems to have an heat gun. I've got an heat gun. It's one of them tools that, you know, very, very hardly gets used sort of thing. Little grinder there. And then you've got your pressure washer, Parkside pressure washer. Again, if anybody knows what this is like, please let me know. £59.99 seems a good price, and a 20-volt cordless fan. The weather's changing a bit, so I don't know how many of these they'll sell because it's starting to get a bit colder. Plasma cutter. I've seen a review on one of these, and the guy who did it, I forget his name now, I think he was quite impressed by it. You know, for small little jobs. The circular saw. And a drill bit sharpener. Thanks for watching, guys. On to the next one.